everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a weeknight routine clean and prep with me for the next day. I always start by washing the dishes, then cleaning the counters and putting the leftovers away. After that, I get the boys' lunches ready so I don't have to worry about it in the morning. And sorry if you can hear the TV in the background today, I have a kiddo who's home from school after having a tonsillectomy. Today the dishes were piled a little higher because I cooked a full dinner for my husband, and I also cooked a separate full meal for the boys because they did not like what we were eating today. Lately I've been finding it so hard to find meals that we can all eat as a family because my boys have just become such picky eaters. Do you have that problem with your kids? If you do, please let me know in the comment section what you're doing to combat this problem. I could use all the help in the world. So I don't usually do a deep clean on weeknights because I'm just so tired and honestly busy with work, the kids' school, activities. So I save the deep cleaning for weekends when I have a little extra time or when my husband is home to keep the kids occupied. He's usually home on weeknights too, but neither of us have the extra energy to do the extra cleaning. So please forgive the lighting here. It's going a little bit dark and a little bit bright. My camera just would not stay bright and I'm not exactly sure why. I think next time I'm going to actually need to use some better lighting. For today's meal, I made a little bit of an extra mess, so I had no choice today but to wipe down under the stovetop grates. I just used Dawn Power Wash because I'll do a deeper clean on the weekend and it always does a great job. I also had to tidy up the movable island today because I had some Amazon returns sitting on it. Plus I had my vacuum sealer out from the other day when I made a batch of Alfredo sauce. And the kids had some of their stuff on it that just needed to be put away. the lunches, I decided that I was going to go ahead and just put away some of the dishes. They were piled quite high in the sink. Okay, so now that some of the dishes are put away, the counters have been cleaned, food has been put away, I'm going to prep for the lunches for tomorrow. The kids are having leftover mac and cheese, so in the morning I'll go ahead and preheat the thermoses. While that's happening, I'll pack the fruit and their other snacks and warm up the mac and cheese. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful that you're here, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.